Good morning from Nako. It's briefing time. Let's hear what's the plan for today.
Morning.
Tough night. Well, today is going to be a very short ride. You're going to see a dead monk. 20 kilometers extra, so 80. Okay. When altitude comes into play, no, makes a lot of difference in terms of concentration, reaction time, all of these things. And without you knowing, you do drop your oxygen levels. Today's idea is to conserve as much energy as possible today. Okay. Even if you push for 2 minutes, you'll feel out of breath. How cold it was last night, lack of sleep, uh, people are leaking from wrong places. So all of this. Let's today try and leave everything aside and try and make it to Tabo. Getting out of here only will take some effort. So if you get the momentum, no, it's easy to go. If you go and stop in between and then try to get off from there, it's not possible. Correct. Okay. Sumdo, they are very cranky about cameras. Okay. Before you touch Sumdo, I would suggest keep your GoPros in. As Sumdo is a army dhaba, canteen. Ooh, samosas are lovely, jalebis are lovely. Hopefully it will be open. We'll grab a snack there, then we can continue from there. It's going to be very simple. Even now, from the time you get on your motorcycles, when you pull it out, when you do this thing, if you're getting out of breath, stop, take a deep breath, relax, then continue while you're going up also. Try not to get out of breath too much. Okay, it's very important today. Okay.
So once we hit Tabu, so there is a big arch gate. We'll stop there.
Okay, chalo.
Okay.
That's right.
Great.
Bye.
As you guys heard in briefing, the total distance for today is approximately 80 kilometers only, including the detour to Gyu Monastery. It's almost 11:30 right now. The start for today is pretty late considering multiple factors. Yesterday was first night in the high altitude and everyone had minor or major AMS symptoms. All of us wanted to have a proper rest before we start off for today's ride. Also, being the first night in sub-zero temperatures, it was really uncomfortable to sleep, even with multiple layers of blankets. The route expected today is a mix of broken roads, good tarmac, and some patches of black ice and slush. The most tricky part was crossing Maling Nala, which was expected to be having a lot of slush and black ice. But to our luck, it was not that bad. We crossed that patch successfully and everyone made it through.
मेरे को अच्छा पानी पीना है। वो होटल में पानी टेस्ट कैसा हो रहा था यार?
उसमें वही प्रॉब्लम था, वो केरोसिन के कारण ना क्यूकिश हो रहा था।
इसलिए मैं इतना सिक हो गया। वो पानी इतना गंदा टेस्ट हो रहा था ना।
The road few kilometers after Maning Nala is a beautiful tarmac with great landscapes, and it remains same all the way till Sumdo checkpost. Make sure you remove your GoPros before entering Sumdo checkpost. Around 3 kilometers after Sumdo checkpost, there is a diversion towards right which goes to Gyu Monastery. The road to Gyu Monastery is mostly off-road, filled completely with snow and lot of slush and black ice patches.
आगे टर्न होके रुकना।
Once you join back on the highway towards Tabo, the road surface is really good. It was a relaxed drive for the remaining 25 kilometers to Tabo. It is one of those rare roads in this section where we covered 25 kilometers in around 30 to 40 minutes. It was around 3:30 when we reached Tabo. All of us quickly finished our lunch and went to our homestay for a cozy and chill evening. See you guys in the next video when we head to Pin Valley and our ultimate destination, Kaza.